Yo, man, what's going on?
It might be.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Good, man. How you doing, man?
Yeah. Yo, don't do that now. Don't do that.
My fault.
How's your day been?
There was motherfuckers in my ear. There was motherfuckers in... Man, I've been good, man. How about you?
You might want to get that checked out if you hear people. I don't know, man. You might want to get that checked out.
Yeah, I might have to.
Yeah, it's not good to hear voices in your head. That's not good.
The voices!
Yeah. The voices, man.
Can I find out? Yeah, I kind of do want to find out.
Okay. He got toasted. Come on in. Come on in. What's happening?
Boss, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? Bruv, can you just fucking let me out? This is such fucking bullshit.
Come at me then! Come at me, yeah? Fuck you up, block!
There's turrets here. Can you just like fucking kill me? There's turrets here. I can hear something. Flamethrowers. Fucking flame turrets.
There's none of that. There's none of that. There's none of that. Okay, send me a song right quick, and I'll let you out.
Fuck you.
I cooked them in there for a little bit. What's going on, man?
No, just...
What's up,
Yeah,
Sleepy?
you guys, you know how royally fucked you guys are? Because people are outside, they're grabbing C4. So let's make this quick.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Let me out, bro.
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Uh-oh, dude, I fell for the trap.
Whoa, what's going on? What did you fall for?
I fell for the fucking trap.
Yeah, you did fall for it.
Man. Oh no, I know what's about to happen. I don't like it. I don't like it. I know this is I smell a trap base. I see the flame turrets.
But you still texted her. You know? Can you have a seat over there for me? I have the chat logs.
Where?
Right there, dude.
Where do I sit? There's no chair.
I had the chat logs. Don't lie to me.
You didn't see anything. No.
Man, let me leave my MP5. I'll drop your Tommy on the ground. Let me leave with my MP5, bro.
No, there's no bargaining here, man. There's no bargaining, Chris Kyle.
We're in the server 20 minutes ago, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Holy! What is this? Bro, is this a fucking tramp?
No, I don't know what it is.
God, so
this is
cool.
my house here, man. This is my house that you're in. What are you doing in my house?
This is so fucking... No.
You're intruding on me right now.
No.
You gotta pay the troll toll, man. Gotta pay that troll toll. Welcome to the barbecue, baby.
Okay, look at this. No.
What are you doing, man? What were you thinking?
No. Again, man. Nah. Okay, how about you do it?
Don't do any of that. No ideas. Welcome to the barbecue. What were you thinking?
Is it trap base?
No, ma'am, it's definitely not. It's definitely not. I don't think you understand what a trap base is, man. You gotta check your dictionary.
This is really cool.
You had the Webster?
You can have all my loot. This is really cool, though.
Alright, I want you to enjoy the barbecue, baby girl.
No, man, please.
What you doing, buddy? Got a microphone, buddy? Uh-oh, can't have that. No, no, no. Welcome to the barbecue.
No, nothing's going on this damn day. All the people crazy around here.
We'll get this barbecue started here. Oh, you already got it started for me. Hold on. We get it going even more. Yeah.
Nice trap bait, bro. Cheers.
Shut the fuck up. I will fucking laser you with alien fucking eyes and explode your fucking head.
What happened, man? What's going on? Hey, sweet cheeks. What you looking at?
Let me out, broski. Let me out again.
I don't think I will, homie.
I'm gonna.
We got a barbecue going on in here, man.
Alright, shit. Hold on, let me just. Oh.
Hey, hey, hey! How's it going? Come on,
hey,
what's going on,
I don't
baby?
appreciate being trapped. Are you the one I killed?
No, I don't even know who the hell you killed. I'm just trying to have a barbecue in here, man.
I was protecting the base.
I'm just trying to enjoy my barbecue, man. Hey, how's it going, man? Welcome to the barbecue. You're looking pretty loaded over there in the corner. Woo-wee.
Damn, you are so loaded. Let's
Hey,
go.
how about you turn around and show me
Good
that little
shit.
bit of that booty for the barbecue here, baby? Oh, man.
Yeah, shake that shit. Yeah, let's go.
Damn, he's cute. Holy shit.
Hey, welcome to the barbecue, Buster. Hey, man.
I'm cooked. So that Jackie through the door.
Welcome to the barbecue, buddy.
What did you say? Oh, I'm cooked.
Oh, you just got beamed, you fucking loser. You're a fucking loser, you just got beamed.
Am I dead yet?
Mama just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pulled a trigger, now he's dead.